the one thing I can get my husband run away is tofu. So I'm on a 10-day of my Daniel fast. I'm making tofu today because it's a good source of protein for me. And I found a way to make it in a way that my husband really loves it now. So I first of all, you wrap your tofu in a towel, put something on top, put a weight on top so that all the water goes out of it. You don't want the water in the firm tofu. You use firm tofu. Then you cube it and put it in a marinade. Here, my marinade is a 1/4 cup of soy sauce, a tablespoon of liquid smoke, aglio, olio, I would say a teaspoon, then Old Bay, a 1/4 teaspoon, a pinch of salt, a pinch of pepper, and a lemon, a squeezed lemon. That was my marinade. I have my lemons here. This is the second bowl I harvest from my tree. Now I have at least 2 more bowls out there, or even more. So a lot of work. Anyway, I let it soak in this marinade. Now we put it on a cookie sheet. Spread it out. Here. Spread it out on a cookie sheet with parchment paper so that it's not sticking. Spread them out. They are now going in at 425 for 10 minutes. Then I turn them around and let them bake another 10 minutes. And then we see each other again. While the tofu is baking, I want to give you a short update on my Daniel fast. I'm on day 10, which means I'm out of the initial withdrawal symptom, cold turkey 2 days. The first 2 days in the Daniel fast are the critical ones where I experienced headache, was very tired, missed my coffee because coffee is not allowed in the Daniel fast, so it's not fun. But I'm used to that. It's not the first time I do this fast. Phase 2 started about day 3, where the headache was gone and I wasn't tired anymore. And this is what I call the fast high. When you get this euphoric feeling, you can do everything. You know you're not tired anymore. You're constantly doing something, and your mood is up, and I don't know. It's a really good time. But in that phase, the brain fog is not gone. The brain fog started leaving after 7 days. You know, I'm a diabetic. It might have to do with sugar. The sugar went down. I have stellar results again. And you notice it that you can remember more. You know, everything is getting better. And day 7, I went to Walmart on the parking lot shopping, and I came back with my shopping cart and pushed it through the lot and couldn't find my Jeep anymore. And I pushed it through the lot for about a half an hour. I knew by sure I had it parked in that area. I always park in that area. And I was desperate. I was like 10 minutes away calling the police. And then I remembered that I took Clay's Volt to go shopping and not my Jeep. So that tells me day 7 my brain fog was not gone. When I told Clay the story, he cracked up. Anyway, but right now I feel I can concentrate more. I'm reading a book right now about Elvis, and it's just the reading comes really, I can read fast, really fast, and I can accomplish a lot. I'm strong. I think I lost a little bit weight. I didn't go on the scale, but I can tell around here it's different. So I'm not going to go on the scale until I'm done. 21 days is my goal to stay on that fast. And the only thing I have to make sure now, because my insulin is so my sugar level, my glucose level is so good, I have to make sure to eat so that I'm not going hypoglycemic, you know. So this is why I thought I'd make tofu today, roasted tofu, because my husband likes it. We put it on the salad, and it's just great. You will see the flavors. Tofu is neutral, so you can do the flavors whatever you want on it. Asian kick or a Southwestern kick, or what I did, you know, anything is possible. That I wanted to tell you. And now I put the tofu out of the oven. Okay, back. This is how the tofu looks after 10 minutes on each side roasted. Looks good. I already tasted one. It's really good, really crunchy. The secret to get it crunchy is to really get the liquid out in the first place. So don't forget to put your weights on it. Wrap it in a towel, put your weights on it, and let it get the fluids out for a while. I had it like an hour standing there. Cast iron skillet is a good weight too. If you don't have a weight, that will work. So now I show you how I eat it today. My husband likes it as a snack when he's hungry in between meals. He just grabs a few cubes and eats them. That's how he likes it. Okay, here we are. So I just made my salad, my lunch salad. That is cruciferous vegetables, some micro asparagus, a radish, a tomato, some avocado. Be careful when you really focus on weight loss. Be careful with the avocado. It has a lot of fat calories, but I need my nutrients from the avocado, so I'm not focused on too much on weight loss. So I eat the avocado with it. It's really healthy for you. Yeah, and I made a little vinaigrette made from lemon juice, salt, pepper. I put this green goddess in from Trader Joe's, aglio, olio. I put lemon juice on it. No oil, because I don't need olive oil on that salad. You can do it, it's Daniel Fast approved, but again, be careful with the calories, because a little quarter cup of oil is a lot of dense calories. You can otherwise, spare. Anyway, let's do it. That's how I do it. Put the warm tofu on it. And enjoy my meal. And as they say in California, peace out and pow. See you next time.